This is in Navisworks, so what I want to do is show how the batch utility works. I've got my 3 assembled files from different disciplines, and what I want to do is use the batch utility to schedule the assembly of this model. So I can choose the folder, I can choose the files that would be linked in this case my REVIT files. And I'm using that same folder for everything. So I'm going to make an NWF file called assembled. Now I can go down and there's that I want to view the file once it's assembled, so it's going to open up, overwrite any old one that's there, 216, and then that's the log events is what is it that I want to schedule, so or keep a track of what's scheduled. So if I go down to the schedule command, what I'm going to do is pick the time and day every week when I want it to go in and pick those files and assemble them. So that must be a Windows file, I think, that's set up here. I need to give the login, so you can actually set it up so that the computer doesn't have to be on. This would log you in and then load the product and assemble it. And then under schedule, I'm going to overwrite the default that was there. So I'll make a new one. And I can also elaborate a little bit on what it's doing. So create assembled model, assembled building. Now under the scheduling, I'm going to show how you can pick the time. So a new setting, daily, weekly, say for what time. You can also tell it to stop doing this after a certain period of time. So maybe I want to do it for 5 weeks and then stop. And here I'm going to pick Wednesday, the time, and OK. So if I give it one more time, my login, my password I should say, so I can set this up with Windows. Then I'll be able to go and get out of Navisworks and then just watch it as it completes the task. Just to make sure that I'm getting the updated file when I close Navisworks here, what I'm going to do is go and open REVIT and make some changes to the architectural file that was being used. So just drawing some extra walls. This is in the REVIT file. And then I'll save that and close it. And from this point on, everything is automatic. So when I close out of here, I'm just going to be looking at my extremely untidy desktop. And then when it gets to the time that I'd set, 1:15, it's going to trigger in automatically. So from this point on, I'm really just watching. So there's the task that I had scheduled being initiated. Then Navisworks will open up by itself with the updated model, and we should be good to go. So just to confirm that, it's loading. There's the file, there's the new walls on the side of the building. So everything is set up to run at the same time every week and assemble my model for me. Hope that helps. Take care. Bye.